I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video, I'll try to test the Call of Duty gameplay test in the IQ7 device by using the low graphics settings and by using the game frame interpolation. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscriber friends. As you can see, is the comment which I got. So can you please test one thing which I'm very curious. As you can see, try to play the Call of Duty in low FPS settings and then try the frame rate interpolation. So let's see friends whether that's going to work in this IQ7 or not. So to test this kind of condition whether it's working or not, we need the real-time FPS meter. So right now I'll be using the third-party FPS meter in this IQ7 device. So let's test whether the game frame interpolation is working or not. That's what we'll get to know by playing the Call of Duty gameplay. As you can see, let me try to open the Call of Duty gameplay and try to select the lowest quality as possible. And without using game frame interpolation, I'll try to show you exactly how much FPS we are getting in this phone, and by using game frame interpolation, how much got improved. So that is what we'll try to compare in both scenarios, whether it's working or not in this IQ7 device. So in case if you have any other queries similarly like this, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible on this topic. Let me go to the settings and go to the graphics. As you can see friends, this is a question. Let's get back. So try to use the low frame rates. So it did ask me to put the low FPS setting. So that is what I'm going to use right now. The graphics I did set to high, but I did set the frame rates to really low. As you can see, these are the settings which I'll try to use right now. So later on with a couple of testings, I'll try to even select the medium quality as well the graphics. Then I'll try to see what is happening. And let's see right now. I think the game frame interpolation is let me try to disable that. So I'm trying to turn off. As you can see, I think the game frame interpolation is completely turned off. There is no game frame interpolation at this point. Let me try to start the match. So let's begin the match friends. This is a multiplayer match which I'm going to play, and is the third party FPS meter which I'm trying to use right now. So without game frame interpolation, let's see how much FPS I was able to get right now. As you can see friends, I'm getting I think close to only 25 FPS. Let's see once the match starts, then we'll be able to get to know how much FPS I'm getting right now. So this with the low FPS I did select. So right now I'm getting only 60 FPS. Let me try to see again. Let's see what is happening. Let me try to go to the graphics. As you can see friends, I did select to the lowest quality only. So instead of multiplayer, I'll try to play the normal match itself with the low settings. As you can see right now I'm getting about 25 FPS, 24 FPS as you can see friends at this point. Let me just show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use. So everything is set to the minimum. As you can see, low graphics and low FPS. So everything is set to the minimum graphics only during this time. So right now I'm getting 25 FPS, and let me try to enable the game frame interpolation. So I did enable the game frame interpolation. Let me try to turn off first. So right now there is no game frame interpolation I think. So I'm getting about let me try to start running. And 25 FPS you are getting on the top. By enabling the game frame interpolation, let's see. So the FPS count did not increase anyway at all. As you can see, it did not increase. Let me try to go to the settings and I'll try to change the value. So maybe I'll try to increase the quality slightly. I'll try to increase to maybe the medium qualities. Let's see. I'll try to exit the match and again I'll be back. So all friends, by using the low quality and low settings, everything it's not working. So let me try to I did change the slightly the graphics. As you can see, slightly I did increase the graphics to the medium. So let's see what will happen in this medium kind of graphics, whether it will be working or not. Let me just show you the game frame interpolation. Right now it's completely off. As you can see friends, the game frame interpolation is off. And let's see what is the real-time FPS meter. So sorry friends, by using this third-party FPS meter, I was able to get only this small size. So right now without any kind of game frame interpolation, I'm getting about 23 and 26, 25 as you can see, 25 FPS, nothing much. Let's start using the game frame interpolation. I'll try to press 120 FPS and yep, back. Let's see whether we'll be getting any close to 30 FPS or not. And the FPS remains around exactly 22 FPS only at this point. It's not increasing. You can see here friends clearly. You're getting close to 25 FPS at this point, nothing much. Let me try to disable the game frame interpolation and let me try to show you what is happening. So I'm trying to disable the game frame interpolation is turned off, and now you're getting same 25. So there is nothing change is happening at this point, even if you try to decrease the FPS count. As you can see friends, there is nothing change. Let me go back and I'll try to come with another setting. So now I'll try to use the very high graphics and the low frame rates. As you can see friends, let's see combination of this one, what will happen, how much FPS we can actually get without using game frame interpolation. So game frame interpolation is completely turned off. So I'm trying to use a multiple type of combination just to see whether the game frame interpolation option is working or not. So that is what my main intention of changing this kind of quality and all the settings. So maybe if you try to use a low FPS in the Call of Duty game by default, maybe the FPS might be fixed stand. That is what I'm guessing. So right now even with the high quality, the FPS count, it's not increasing. As you can see, when still I'm getting the same kind of results, only 25 FPS at this point. So maybe whenever you try to use a low FPS in the Call of Duty game, so FPS will be definitely low. So even if you use the game frame interpolation, you cannot even increase the FPS. So right now I'm trying to increase to 90. I did select a 90 FPS, but still it's remaining around 25 and 26. So nothing much improvement happened. As you can see friends clearly, so nothing much improvement has happened at this point. As you can see friends, same kind of 25 FPS I'm getting. So I'm ready to use the interpolation. So no change in the frame rates. You can clearly see that there is no change in the frame rates. Let me to go back and try to use a different kind of frame rates. I'm ready to go back to the, maybe I'll try to exit the match. Now I'll try to use a slightly increased FPS. Let's see whether this will boost or not. Let me to go back to the settings and slightly increase to the medium. And then let me need to start the match and let's see what will happen if you're trying to use this kind of settings. So with game frame interpolation and without game frame interpolation, I'm just gonna check whether the frame rates is actually increasing or not. So maybe I think you may feel slightly smooth when you're trying to use with the game frame interpolation. It may not increase the FPS count. I'm not sure exactly because in my testing I'm not getting any change in terms of the number. So with and without game frame interpolation, as you can see. So the FPS meter exactly I'm getting 30 FPS only during this time. So there is nothing much changed, as you can see friends. So same kind of FPS 21 and 31, that's it, not much. I'm not getting any kind of FPS. So maybe if you try to select the low FPS in the Call of Duty settings, the FPS might get locked exactly around 30 FPS only. So that is the reason why we are not seeing any kind of increase in the frame rates while you're trying to play. As you can see friends clearly. Same kind of FPS still I'm getting, so there is no improvement. So let me exit the match. So let's use the high. So very high and high I'm trying to use. Let's see friends what will happen in this kind of settings, whether the FPS will boost or not by using this game frame interpolation. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you want me to test any other games. Definitely I can do that type of testing as well. So right now the FPS is locking up to 40 FPS. As you can see, it did lock exactly 40 FPS. So even if I use the game frame interpolation, the FPS count is not increasing above 40. No, it's not increasing above 40. That's the one thing you need to remember. As you can see friends, exactly it's not going above 40 FPS. This is the third party FPS meter which I'm trying to use. So you cannot see any changes exactly. As you can see friends, there's nothing is happening here. And without game frame interpolation, same kind of settings. As you can see, 40 I'm getting without game frame interpolation, and with game frame interpolation, same kind of results, 41. So it's not increasing. As you can see friends clearly. So 41 I'm getting, that's it. So that's it friends. I think if you use this kind of low quality settings, even though still if you try to use the game frame interpolation, it doesn't increase the actual FPS meter, because I think the Call of Duty is kind of fixed exactly the 25 FPS, 30 FPS and 40 FPS similarly. I think for each and every step, that is what is happening, I think so at this point. So this is a final test which I am going to do right now, and later I'll try to stop it. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, so make sure to let me know in the comments below, friends. Definitely I can do those kind of testings. So right now as well, even I'm getting only 40 FPS at this point. Let me turn on the game frame interpolation now and show you what will be the results now. So now we cannot see, friends, any improvement in the frame rates. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And this is a quick answer for the question is that, so overall, if you try to use the low FPS settings in the IQ7 device while playing the Call of Duty gameplay, and if you try to use a game frame interpolation at that time, you cannot see any kind of improved frame rates. So maybe the game might be slightly smooth, but you cannot see any kind of physical evidence that it's improving the higher slightly increasing the frame rates, nothing like that. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.